Today, we will talk about money-saving travel hacks and tricks that airlines don't want you to know. These are personal tips from Missy Goldenberg, one of my followers on Facebook page at Travel Cheap in Style, who works for an airline and travels a lot. Book your flight during the shoulder season, the time between peak and off-peak travel seasons, for lower prices. One of my personal favorite travel hack is to avoid traveling during peak seasons. I usually try to book my flights a few months in advance during shoulder season, when the demand is not as high. This way, I've been able to save a lot of money on airfare. Use a VPN to book your flight. I have a VPN that I use to book my flights, as some airlines will charge more for flights booked from certain locations. This is especially helpful when I'm traveling internationally, as the prices can vary greatly depending on where you're booking from. Sign up for airline newsletters and email alerts to be notified of sales and special promotions. Another way to save money on flights is to sign up for airline newsletters and email alerts. This way, I always get notified of any sales or special promotions that the airlines are offering, and I can take advantage of them before they expire. I also signed up for alerts and always book with through besttraveldeals.com for all my holiday trips, as it has the cheapest travel deals. It also suggests the cheapest dates to travel to my destination, fast and easy, all in one website. Use incognito mode or private browsing when searching for flights to prevent airlines from raising prices based on your browsing history. This is one of the most important travel hack that I always use. When I'm searching for flights, I always use incognito mode or private browsing, so that the airlines can't track my browsing history and raise the prices on me. Book connecting flights instead of non-stop flights for cheaper prices. I always look for connecting flights instead of non-stop flights, as they tend to be cheaper. I don't mind a layover or two if it means saving money on my airfare. Use airline rewards credit cards to earn points or miles for free flights or upgrades. I always use my airline rewards credit card to earn points or miles for free flights or upgrades. Over time, these rewards can add up and save me a lot of money on future flights. Be flexible with your travel dates and times, as flights are often cheaper during the week and overnight. I try to be as flexible as possible with my travel dates and times, as flights are often cheaper during the week and overnight. I don't mind traveling at odd hours if it means saving money on my airfare. Consider alternate airports near your destination for lower flight prices. Another trick that I use is to consider alternate airports near my destination. Sometimes, flying into a nearby airport can save me a lot of money on airfare. Bring your own food and drinks on the flight to save money on in-flight meals and beverages. I always bring my own food and drinks on the flight to save money on in-flight meals and beverages. Not only does it save me money, but it also ensures that I have something to eat or drink that I actually like. I always book with through besttraveldeals.com for all my holidays, as it has the cheapest travel deals. It also suggests the cheapest dates to travel to my destination, fast and easy, all in one website. Note: these are personal tips that worked for Missy, but it may not work for everyone. Always be sure to check the terms and conditions of your booking, as well as the airline's policies before your travel. Please send me your travel posts or travel-related questions you want answered to be featured on our next videos. Thanks for watching.